Get it nice and tight, not too tight. Want to pop it. Oh, snap.
Come on.
Hope.
Yeah.
Alright, so we're right under the vehicle here. And as you can see, you don't have to take this whole plastic panel off. All you gotta do is take this off. Alright, there's one and there's two. You just pop them out. Place your oil pan right under there, right? And as you can see, you don't have to take this whole plastic thing off. All you do, boom, you got your axe. You want you to take this plastic piece off, kind of move it back. Make sure you're safe. As you can see, I got like 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. So you drain your oil right there, and your oil filter is right there. All right, so we got our 14 mil socket here. Remember safety. Remember your parking brake on, right? Remember lefty loosey, righty tighty. And you just, boom. Once you pop it, you just go boom. The reason I do this myself is because the last time I took it into a Valvoline, and I tried to get an oil change. I got an oil change real quick, right? $50, $60. And the guy comes up to me and says, "You're done. Look how clean it is." It was literally like water. Had no smell to it, nothing. Right? The cameras were off. You know how Valvoline has all those cameras on? You can see what they're doing. The guy brings over a jug of oil. I don't know if they have water in there or not. They might have added water, right? It didn't smell like oil. So I do this myself just to be safe. You know what I mean? All right, let's take the oil filter out. Okay, and for the oil filter, 64-inch socket like that. Boom, like this. And you're ready to go. Let's go. You see that? It's not easy, real easy to take that off. Okay, you gotta have some pressure. As you can see, I'm using a little breaker bar here. And look at, I popped it, but still, after you pop it, it's still difficult. You still gotta have some, it's tight on there, okay? Yep, once you have that off, put this new one in. And you don't necessarily have to replace this, but you can. There we go. New one right in there. Pretty easy. Boom, that's what it should look like. That's the old one. Let's put it back in. Make sure it's all the way in there. It's starting to get kind of hard. I'm still going for it. Get it nice and tight, not too tight. You want to pop it. Oh, snap. That should be good enough. Yeah. Yeah, don't do it too much. All right. All right, that's what it should look like. Make sure everything's on nice and tight, and you're done. Add your oil. 4.5 quarts of oil for a standard Prius, maybe a little more than that, and you're done. You take it to a Prius shop, Toyota dealership, they'll charge you like $200 to change your oil. All right, so you can do it yourself real easy, cheap. And let's close it back up. See how easy that was?